There's some incredible promotions happening across the whole industry, but there's definitely one here happening at HAIMER UK. On the heat shrink machine, is it a myth, Joe, that this is only designated towards fifth axis machining?
I believe so. It's fair to say the market share for fifth axis machining for shrink is very high, probably 70, 80, 90%. That's probably down to the long reach, thin wall nature of a shrink fit holder. I believe HAIMER go down to wall thicknesses of about 1.5 mil. There's physically no way of doing that other than shrink fit. But yeah, no, to answer your question, no, I believe it's for roughing, for finishing, for drilling and tapping, should you wish. Horizontals, even turning centres now, not this particular unit, but HAIMER do have shrink units for sliding head and y-axis lathes, yeah.
Yes, and definitely to help with throughput of the machines now.
Absolutely, just by adopting, depending on your current work holding method, tool holding method, this can improve efficiency by a minimum of 20% really, depending on what you're currently using.
So if you're looking to improve productivity, make sure you're speaking to HAIMER. This is X stock. There's a great promotion happening on this. So make sure you're getting in touch with them personally or through our website, mtdcnc.com.